Hello everyone, hope you all are doing great. So today we are going to make something related to Rakhi. Okay, so this is A5 size paper which I am using here. So this is half of A4. Okay, this is A5. You can even make a card if you want to make a card of this. Like you can just fold A4 size paper and you can make a card also. But I've cut this paper, and so this is like we are going to make a big Rakhi here, and we're going to write Happy Raksha Bandhan here, and then we are going to make just whatever Rakhi you want your brothers or to wear, you can just attach that here. Otherwise you can give this to your sisters also. All the brothers can give this to their sisters. Okay, so this circle here, so just cut any size circle using any round object, any circular object with you, whichever is available with you, so which fits in here somewhere in the center. Okay, it should not be too big, it should not be too small. So this, I'll just tell you what is the measurements. So this is approx 7 centimeters of diameter, which is 3.5 of radius. Okay, so we'll just put this here. So I'm using tape instead of Fevicol, and I'll double roll it so that it pops out. Okay, so you can even use double tape here. So I'm using here is masking tape. So we'll just roll it and just paste it in the center. Any color sheet, okay, this can be of any color. If you want, if you have any light color sheet for background, you can use. Now you going to use scale. So let's take shades of blue here, dark blue, and we'll make borders. Okay, one line and the second line here. Okay, on all four sides you're going to make the same. One and then two, one and then two. So on all four sides, using a scale, just double outline it like this. Okay, and then what you're going to do is, we'll start in the center. We'll make a circle here. Change the color. Instead of blue, we'll take light blue. And then what we are going to do is, we are going to make small petals around it like this. Easy. Small petals around this circle here. So in this you can just use your sketch pens, okay, and nothing else, and color these petals here. So we're making a big Rakhi over here. Color these petals. Okay, and then you're going to make again a big petal like this. So I'm using here shades of blue. If you want to go with purple, pink, yellow, red, orange, you can go ahead. Okay, now I'll change the color here. Let's take dark blue again. I will double outline this outer petal here. So these designs are very simple, okay, very simple. If you want to make more easy, please go ahead with your designs, whatever you suit, you are able to make. Okay, double outline them. Then I'll go with purple here. So what I'll do with purple, so I'll just start from here. So suppose in between these two areas, we'll mark one point here and we will make 6. Okay, and now from this very particular point, ulta 6. Okay, same for every part here. And after this, what we are going to do is, again we'll change the sketch pen here. So you can make some dots like this. Okay, and if you want you can add let's take orange color for this part. So we'll add some designs here. Okay, like this. Alright, and if you want you can put dots also inside, like with black or any glitter pen also you can use here. So I'm using this bold marker. If you have any glitter pen you can use glitter pen, glitter tubes, okay, anything. Okay, and now with any blue, so one thread going here, the other one going this way, and with red the ends. Okay, like this. So your Rakhi is ready. Now what you have to do is you have to just write Happy Raksha Bandhan here. Okay, happy, and then Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan. Okay, smiley, a heart, anything here. And if you want to make some designs on here you can even make. Now what you can do is, if you are sister and you want to tie Rakhi to your brother, so you can just wrap it around here, something like this. Okay, and then present it to your brother. And if you are a brother you can just give this to your sister and write a small quote here or at the back, anywhere, or you can just paste a small toffee or a chocolate here and then give it to your brother or sister, sorry. Okay, so and don't forget to share your artwork. Okay, we'll be waiting for your artworks. Try to share it before Raksha Bandhan if possible. Thank you so much. Have a good day.